Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. In this session, we are going to discuss how to send email notification using the Snowflake account. So all the Snowflake customers can send email notification using the email notification feature. So emails, messages sent from the notification system stored procedures are processed using the AWS simple email service. And the content of an email message which is sent using the AWS are retained by Snowflake for up to 30 days to manage the delivery of the message. After this period, the message content is deleted. So let's see how you can go ahead and create an email notification. So in order to create a notification, you have to use the syntax create notification with integration. What is the notification name? I have given it as my email integer. What is the type of notification? Whether it is an SMS, whether it's an email. So you have to mention the type of it. Right now, I have mentioned it as an email. And what is the allowed recipient? Means you have to give the email address of the recipient here. You have to make sure whatever email address you are mentioning, they are registered as a Snowflake account and are verified email address. So the Snowflake users should have a verified email address in that allowed recipient list. You can provide multiple email address in this place. Once you create this notification service, then you can go ahead and call that particular notification service using the procedure called send email. In that, the first parameter that you need to provide is your notification name. Second argument is your email address, what email alert you want to give. That is, for example, I have some excessive usage in my warehouse. I'm just providing it as an alert as excessive usage. What message I want to go ahead and print it in my email, that I can go ahead and provide. I will go ahead and execute the notification integration with my email address, and then I will go ahead and call this using the call method. So this is my email in which I received it stating that warehouse usage exceeded. This email has come from the Snowflake, as you see, Snowflake Computing, and the email address from which you get is no reply at snowflake.net. Using this, you can go ahead and provide any number of notifications in your email. Let's say you have your pipeline running daily, and if that pipeline fails, you can go ahead and trigger a notification service stating that your pipeline has failed. Or let's say if your pipeline is running for a long hour, more than 12 hours, and you don't expect it to run for 12 hours because some downstream operation is dependent on that particular pipeline, then you can go ahead and trigger that notification service so that you come to know that there's something wrong and you can go ahead and fix that particular pipeline. So it's very useful that you get an email alert, a notification service in your email using this particular service that's been provided by the Snowflake. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be coming up with more such videos related to Snowpark, Snowflake and PySpark. If you like my video, then hit the thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I wish you have a good day.